Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Leung from Yutong International School Class 8D. Today I'm going to introduce the PBL project. This is mainly about the recycle of stationery and paper and what will I do to make this happen. Before I start introducing, I'm going to talk about my journey from my first idea to my final idea. My first idea is cleaning the school, but the school helper has taken that job already. My second idea is the computer and iPad problem solving is technical problems, but actually the IT department have done that already. My final idea and my third idea is quite the same. My third idea is the solar power, but the solar power process is very professional and the students don't have the ability to do that yet, just at this moment. And finally, my final idea is the recycling paper and stationery. Recently, I noticed that many students just throw away the paper after they use one side of it. In this case, they wasted a big amount of school's resources. Paper is made from cutting down trees, so if you wasted it, it is the same as destroying natural environment. On the other hand, students also have wasted a lot of pens because they thought that it won't be useful anymore after it's run out of ink. But have you ever think of that? Actually, changing the refill is the best solution for this problem. I suspected that you guys are thinking about my community is definitely going to be schools, right? Yeah, you're right. My community for this project is schools and classmates. They are my target community. I've chosen this because I think schools are very important to the whole world, and students need to have a habit of saving energy sources and always know how to recycle. My solution to that problem is creating a recycling box for both paper and stationery. For paper, we can use one-side used paper instead of printed A4 paper because it is much more sustainable. I can make the pens recycling box into two different sections. One section is for recycling the pens and the other section is for the refill. So yeah, students can change it whenever they want. I use my creativity to build up the boxes using home materials. I have two locations for both paper and stationery boxes. First of all, I will place the paper boxes next to the printer and make a label in front of it for reminders, so students can know that whenever they need to print, try to use one-side used paper as much as possible for recycling. Next, I'll place the stationery boxes inside the classroom. There's a table for putting erasers and pencils, and that will be the best place for placing the stationery tables. My process is the creator and innovator because I'm actually creating a new object to save resources for my community. Goodbye and thank you for listening.